Well, folks, this is where we separate the men from the boys, the women from the girls. I believe it was yesterday at 10:47. If you were in the whale crew, you were given this graph with a brief description. Now, I didn't put out any video yesterday, but there was times where I wanted to, but life, other thing, I had to do other things in life. And my feeling off of everything was that if we are to have the chong of our pattern, we must go down before we come up. Given that we have seen emoji dojis in recent history, those emoji dojis often are followed by fulfilled candles that come down. But that doesn't necessarily mean that we will continue down. In fact, many a times what happens is we curve and we come back up. So, yeah, pretty cool, right? Taking a look at ETH, we're on the daily. Given that we are later into the trend, things take longer. If we are repeating patterns from the past, they take a greater span of time. We see an emoji doji, perhaps solid candles. I feel like we might not go down this far, but we could. It's possible. Whatever. But you know, this is kind of what I'm feeling is going to happen. That we're going to go. We still will go up from here. With one more, one more effort upwards. And I'm saying this even as the price goes down. But if I am wrong about this and we do not form another chong, we have said many times before that sometimes these patterns chong on the chain, on the third. It'll go 1, 2, 3 and then dump. So time will tell. Either way, I am in no rush. I am in no rush to jump into any positions. The name of the game, if you're new to the whale crew, make sure you read the rules, follow the rules. When you enter in here, this movement, even though it doesn't look like much, when you measure it out, a 2%, 2.5% gain with leverage is big. Take your profits. When it pumps, take your profits. Especially given that, we know we're at a breaking point. So really we're just waiting. We're looking at the reason why we were able to have, what did we have last week? Those good few days. There was a good few days where we had like five trades per day. They were just like boom, 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 boom. The reason we were able to have that is because we had a confident backbone. And so if we see we come back up here, if we're coming back up, that is a confident backbone. I'm going to be looking to my altcoins to be making the big gains. If we don't and we break down, break down lower, then there's a plan for that as well. So keep your head on straight. Go on about your days. I'm certainly going on about mine. I am not sitting at the computer staring at my screen all day. I am going on about my business, letting time go by, enjoying life. It is a beautiful day outside. And hopefully it is a beautiful day where you are as well. We are on the cusp of, you know, guys, I'm starting to talk with other YouTubers that are bigger than me, have bigger audiences than me. And so we're going to be getting some good exposure. We're going to be getting some more exposure. We're just going to keep doing what we're doing our best not to rush into things, but take advantage of good, confident opportunities. I have some other business ventures for the people where I am representing the people. I am meeting and working and consulting with various companies as a voice for the people. And I have to be honest with you, everybody wins. The companies win, you guys win, and I win. Right now, I have a very solid goal of trying to better other leverage exchanges, so less and less people have to use Bitmex. There needs to be some reporting on the Bitmex secret fees. Bybit's books have 20, 30, 40x'd. They have attracted market makers. There is still some things there's still some areas that could improve. They are improving. Excellent company. They listen to their market. Bravo, Bybit. And there are some others that I haven't mentioned yet. A lot of them are reaching out to me. Some of them there's actually a lot I turn away. But there are going to be some better places for all of us to trade with less fees and less BS. The competition is growing, and so the people that are going to come out most successful are going to be the ones that will certainly listen to the correct people. Alrighty. See you guys on the flip side.